How to reset or recover Oculus account password. So if you want to reset or recover your Oculus account password, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser which you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search and then click on Oculus login. Search for Oculus login. Once you've searched, here you will have oculus.com on the first search. Click on the first search which says login, and from here you need to log into your Oculus. So to log into your account, you need to simply enter your email and your password, right? But if you don't remember your Oculus account email or password, or if you want to reset or recover your account password, then you need to simply go for forgot password. And from here, you need to enter the email address that you have used to create your account. Once you've entered, click on send email. And here it says that to set a new password, you can go to this link and then you can click on forgot password and follow the instructions. So what you can do is first you need to check your mail if you have received any mail or not. So here you don't have any mail. So go back and then copy this link. Once you've copied, you can go for the new tab and paste that link and hit the enter. And once you hit the enter, you will have this kind of page. You need to go for continue with email, and then you need to enter your email address. Click on next, and here you will receive the confirmation code, right? You can go for enter password instead, and then here you will have forgot password option. So if you want to reset or recover your password, then go for forgot password, and then you need to enter your email address again, which you have used to create your account, and then click on find account. And once you have click on that, you will get the confirmation code now. So open up your mail that you have used to create your account, go for the Gmail, and here you will have password reset or password reset request. So you need to simply copy this code from here, and then you need to go and paste that code here. Once you've pasted, you can go for continue. But if you have not received the code, then you can go for send code again, so that you will again receive the code. And click on continue. And from here, you can create your new password. So you need to simply enter a new password that you would like to set. And once you've entered, you need to click on continue, which is on the bottom. And once again, you need to enter the confirmation code. So open up your mail again, and here you will have your code. Copy the code and paste that here. Click on continue. And that's it. That's how you change your password on Oculus. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.